Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. Hey, have you noticed how much it's been raining lately? The rainy season is in full swing.
Yeah, it really is. I actually love the rainy season. Everything feels so fresh, and the air smells amazing after a good rain.
I know what you mean. The only downside is getting caught in the rain without an umbrella. I had that happen yesterday, soaked from head to toe.
Oh no. That's the worst. I always try to keep an umbrella in my bag just in case. But even then, sometimes the wind is so strong it doesn't even help.
True. The wind can be intense. But I still enjoy it, especially when I'm at home. Just sitting by the window with a cup of tea and a good book, it's the best.
Absolutely. I love that too. And the sound of rain at night is so soothing. It helps me sleep so well.
Same here. Though sometimes it makes me a bit lazy. I just want to stay in bed all day.
I get that. But it's also the perfect time to do something cozy, like baking or watching movies.
That sounds perfect. We should plan a movie night soon, rain or shine.
Definitely. Let's do it.
Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, then please subscribe to my channel and share as much as possible.